Hey friends, if you wish to fix Google Chrome crashing all pages and extensions without uninstalling and reinstalling Google Chrome, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolution. So search for Chrome in the window search bar and open Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select extensions and then manage extensions. Now the main issues with these extensions, so try clearing these. Try disabling these. If this helps, then remove the extension and remove it. Was this helpful? If this wasn't, then click on these three dots, select history and select history once again, and then click on delete browsing data. Change the time range to all time and click on delete data. Okay, and beyond this, you can click on these three dots here, select help, click on about Chrome and update it. Usually these days it doesn't update it to the latest version. And last, you can scroll down and select settings, go to the reset settings tab, click on restore settings to the original default and reset settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.